Hello friends, today we will learn how to create info record in SAP system. So we are here at SAP menu, logistics, materials management, purchasing, master data, info record, and create. That is create info record. We will be using vendor 1000, then purchasing 1000, plant 1000, and material for material. Suppose you want to create info record for this material, say light bulb. Okay, and info record number we can skip. System will assign info record for our so now the info category is very important. When you create an info record, we make sure that you are getting the type of info record you need. There are four categories of info records: standard, subcontracting, pipeline, and consignment. Standard info record is used in case where you are dealing with a vendor on a standard way, like you create a PO, then you receive goods, and then you do the invoice verification. So in that case, you will use the info record standard. Subcontracting, when you have a subcontracting arrangement with a vendor, so that you issue some goods to the vendor, and then he makes the finished product and supplies back to you, and then after that you pay the vendor. So here you will use subcontracting. Pipeline info record is used for pipeline materials like oil, gas, electricity, etc. Consignment info record is used when you have a consignment vendor. So the vendor will be keeping his goods at your plant, and you will be paying the vendor only when you use material from that stock. So for say you have more than one kind of arrangement with a vendor, so in that case you will be creating more than one info record for that vendor and that material. Suppose one material you are procuring from the vendor in a standard way and is consignment also. So you can have two info records for that material, or maybe the info record for a vendor is say the vendor has many sites, and he sends the material from different sites, so you can create a different info record for that vendor. So now let us proceed. So the system is saying this material is procured internally. So this is just a message, this is not an error. So let us proceed. On this screen, one field which is required is reminder, where in how many days the vendor will be able to ship the product to you. Then some other information on this screen, like material group, and then salesperson is telephone number, order unit, like this one is pieces, so this one is coming from material master. Then conversion, if you have different kind of order unit and base unit. Let us go to the next screen. Material delivery time, in one day the vendor will be able to ship. Then purchasing group, which purchasing group will be using this info record. Then quantity, standard quantity, say standard quantity for procurement for this good is 5 units. Then minimum quantity you can specify. Some other information like GR based invoice verification you can specify. Then conditions. So the net price, what is the net price for this material? Say 5 euros per piece. Then system will calculate the effective price based on the other conditions you provide. Now let us go to the next screen. Now if this info record you are creating for a quotation for a vendor, you can write that here. Then text, so you can mention some text and it will appear in your purchasing document. Now you can save this info record. So let us say yes, the system has created a purchasing info record for you, and the number has also been assigned by the system for this info record. So this is all about creating info record in SAP system. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.